Getting in shape doesn't have to be complicated, but starting, that's the hardest part. Every transformation begins with one decision: to stop waiting and start moving. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 simple exercises that can completely change your body in just 4 weeks. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Before we jump into workouts, remember this: your results don't just come from exercise, they come from what you eat. You can train every day, but without a balanced diet, progress will be slow. Start simple, eat cleaner, drink more water, and stay consistent. First up, the plank. It may look simple, but it's incredibly powerful. This one exercise strengthens your core, improves posture, and protects your body from injury. Hold the position, stay tight, and breathe. Get into a push-up position, then lower onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line, no sagging, no arching. Tighten your core and hold. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and build from there. Next, push-ups. A classic, and for a good reason. This one movement works your chest, arms, shoulders, core, even your legs. Place your hands under your shoulders. Keep your body straight. Lower yourself slowly, then push back up. Control is everything, not speed. If it's too hard, start on your knees. Now, squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to stand back up. This is your lower body powerhouse. It builds strength in your legs, glutes, and core while improving balance and stability. Next, the bird dog. Start on all fours. Extend your opposite arm and leg, keeping your body stable. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Move slow. Control matters more than speed. This one improves balance, coordination, and strengthens your lower back. Last, the glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift your hips upward until your body forms a straight line. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Hold, then lower slowly. Here's how to use these exercises. Do all 5 exercises 3 to 4 times per week. Start slow. Focus on form. Week by week, increase your time, reps, and confidence. Consistency beats perfection every time. Real change doesn't happen overnight, but if you stay consistent, if you show up for yourself, in 4 weeks, you'll feel stronger. In 8 weeks, you'll see it. And in 12 weeks, others will too. Start today. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more simple fitness guides. And tell me in the comments, which exercise are you starting with today?